The hands of sacrifice. In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a young man named Ram, known for his academic brilliance. Ram's journey through education had been remarkable, earning him top marks from school to postgraduate research. However, behind his success lay a story of silent sacrifice, a story he was yet to fully understand. Eager to secure a managerial position at a prestigious company, Ram excelled in the preliminary interviews and was invited to the final round with the company's director, Balu, a man known for his keen ability to assess character. The interview, as Balu reviewed Ram's impeccable CV, he asked curiously, "Ram, your academic achievements are extraordinary. Did you receive any scholarships to fund your education?" Ram shook his head. "No, sir." "Then who paid for your education?" Balu continued. "My father passed away when I was just a year old," Ram explained softly. "It was my mother, Sita, who worked tirelessly to pay for my school fees." Balu leaned forward, intrigued. "And what does your mother do?" "She works as a clothes cleaner, washing and ironing clothes for families in our neighborhood," Ram answered, pride evident in his tone. Balu paused, studying Ram. "Have you ever helped your mother with her work?" Ram hesitated before replying, "No, sir. My mother always encouraged me to focus on my studies. She said she could manage on her own and often joked that she was faster than I could ever be." Balu nodded thoughtfully. "Ram, I have a simple request. When you go home today, clean your mother's hands. Take a close look at them. Come back tomorrow and tell me what you learned." Confused but eager to comply, Ram agreed. That evening, Ram approached Sita with an unusual request. "Amma, may I clean your hands tonight?" Sita looked at him in surprise. "Why, Ram? What's this about?" "Please, Amma. Just this once," Ram insisted. Reluctantly, Sita extended her hands. As Ram began washing them, he was struck by what he saw. Her hands, once smooth and delicate, were now rough, wrinkled, and scarred with years of toil. Bruises crisscrossed her fingers, some fresh, others faded but permanent. Tears welled up in Ram's eyes as he gently cleaned her hands. "Amma, I never realized. These hands. They've done so much for me," he whispered, his voice breaking. Sita smiled faintly, though her eyes glistened with tears. "Ram, these hands have always been my strength. Every bruise, every ache was worth it to see you succeed." That night, after cleaning her hands, Ram insisted on finishing the remaining laundry. As they worked side by side, mother and son spoke for hours, sharing stories, dreams, and unspoken gratitude. For the first time, Ram truly understood the sacrifices Sita had made for him. The next morning, when Ram returned to the office, Balu immediately noticed the change in his demeanor. "Good morning, Ram. Tell me, what did you do yesterday?" Ram recounted the emotional experience of cleaning his mother's hands and completing her work. "And what did you learn?" Balu asked. Ram took a deep breath. "I learned 3 things, sir. First, I've never truly appreciated my mother's sacrifices until now. Without her, I wouldn't be the person I am today. Second, I realized how much effort, and pain go into even the smallest comforts we take for granted. Third, I now understand the value of family and the importance of cherishing those who stand by us through thick and thin. Balu smiled, a glint of approval in his eyes. Ram, this is exactly what I look for in a leader, someone who values hard work, understands the struggles of others, and prioritizes relationships over personal gain. Congratulations, you are hired. Ram joined the company with a renewed sense of purpose. Inspired by his mother's sacrifices and Balu's wisdom, he led his team with empathy and determination. His humility and understanding earned him the respect of his subordinates, and the company flourished under his guidance. At home, Ram made it a point to spend more time with Sita, helping her with chores and cherishing every moment they shared. The hands that had built his future were now the hands he vowed to honor for the rest of his life. True success is not measured by achievements alone, but by the gratitude and humility we carry in our hearts. When we experience and acknowledge the sacrifices behind our comforts, we learn to value hard work, relationships, and the people who shape our lives. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe. Let us know what you think about this story.